This is 10mm steel rod. I'm going to use that for the legs. So I want to put that line, instead of the line there, I want to put that probably around about the centre of the roller. Okay, here goes.
Ha! It's pulling it through.
It's not following. I mean, that's the mark. It's just pulled the whole thing through. So let's have watch. See what's happening here. Just pulling it past those vice grips all together. These two uneven. Bugger. Now I'm going to try that again. This time I'm going to clamp it extremely tight. Wow. So now I've got these three legs. Now I want to put another bend up here. Thunk. Next step, I'll just measure and cut all these legs all the same. Gosh, it's hot. I'm going to make a plate for those legs to attach to. I'm going to use this, I think it's 70mm by 4mm. And the steel shop's shut, so that's all I've got to use. I'm going to use that.
It's going to send it to some range. It's the most yoke here is like 4.2 long. Like the hardwood, you know, when
try again. I've got 3 legs, so I need to measure out equally the space to put them onto here. So the circumference, the diameter is about 141.4 or something like that. So if I went 3.14 times 141.3 equals, divided that by 3, 147.89, so around that 148. Just a bit of PVC pipe. I've marked it off on that black line just there. So there's a starting point. There you go, equally spaced. Cool. Just need to attach these legs now. So what I've made, I've got the three marks on the base there. If I just put a piece of timber up like that, I'm going to bolt that down or clamp it down or something so it doesn't move, but somehow that'll be, if I weld that just there, all 3 legs would be exactly the same. Another subtle change, I've just decided this part here is too long. Probably want to chop it down to about here, so bear with me. I've just cut out my seat base, obviously square at the moment. I want to make that 320 millimeters diameter across here. And here's my jig. I'll put this on my bandsaw. You can see here, this is where the blade will go through, and 320 millimeters, half that's going to be 160. So that's the pivot point right there. And normally I just put a screw up through that, put the wood on top of it, and it pivots around that screw past the blade. It does have guides that goes into the bandsaw. It's got some track guides. I'll just show you how it works. Dave Gagne style.
Sorry, I did TIG weld those with silicon bronze. Wasn't on video. My apologies.